Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack, and this is how to know Chrome data usage. So, guys, if you ever wondered how many gigabyte that you have consumed in your browser, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings in to your Windows. Now, here on the settings, you can just simply go ahead and go for the network and internet. Now, over here, as you can see, in the top right corner, you will have an option over here, data usage. So go ahead and click on it. Now, from here, as you can see, you will have multiple options over here, multiple applications, and you should be able to see here your Chrome. So guys, as you can see, my Chrome currently use 2.23 gigabyte for the last 30 days. So of course, you can filter it out by 24, 7, and 30. And currently, I use Opera as my main browser. That's why my Chrome only have a little data usage. And you could also have multiple internet over here if you have. And you could provide a limit as well, which can help you warn when you go over the limit. And there you go.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.